In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to combine several images into one file using the Move tool in Photoshop. Here's an example of what we will be doing today. So first thing you want to do is open your files that you want to combine. You can find the exercise files for this tutorial in the description below. I'm going to navigate to My Files, File Open, and I'm opening 4 JPEG files. Now that the 4 images are open, you'll see a tab open for each file. The beach image will be our background for this exercise. So I'm actually going to reorganize my tabs by clicking and dragging. The first image we're going to place in our beach image are these sunglasses. So with the Move tool selected, this is the top tool in your toolbar on the left, we're going to drag this image into our beach image. So with the Move tool selected, click on the sunglasses, and you want to click and hold and drag your cursor to the tab where you want to drop the image, continue to hold, and then release your mouse. And the sunglasses should now appear on your beach image. If that didn't work or you had an issue, please try that again. You can also undo at any time by going to Edit, Undo, or Command Z on a Mac. So let's get the next image. Next image we're going to drop into our beach photo is the palm tree. So with the Move tool selected, click on our palm tree, click and hold, drag, drag, drag to our beach tab, continue to hold, and then release your mouse. You should now have 2 images on top of your beach photo. Let's go ahead and move them around a little bit. You'll notice we have layers that are created once these new images have been moved over. I want these to be aligned on the right side of the beach image. So I'm going to click and drag the sunglass photo, place it, and then next click and drag our palm tree photo and place it right underneath and try to align it as best you can. So now we have one more image to drag and drop, which is this flamingo image. Now this image is actually a different size. It's a really big photo, so we are going to have to resize it once we drag it over. But same process to start. With the Move tool selected, click in the image and drag with your cursor to the beach image, continue to hold, and then drop the image by releasing your mouse. This photo is taking over our artboard, so we have to resize it and make it the same size as our other images. Let's zoom out of our artboard so we can see things a little bit better. We're going to use the Zoom tool to zoom out. It's in the bottom of your toolbar. You click the Zoom tool, and then at the top of your screen, you should see options to zoom in with a plus sign or zoom out with a minus sign. In this case, we want to zoom out so we can see more of the artboard. Next, we're going to resize this flamingo image. With the layer selected, go to Edit, Transform, Scale. And now you should see the edges of our file, and we're just going to drag the edges of this file to make it smaller. So click an edge and start to drag it down. Now I'm going to move it to the space where I want it and continue to make it smaller so it is in line with our other images. When you are finished resizing, you can hit Enter or Return, or you can also hit this little check mark at the top. And now I'm going to zoom back into my artboard so I can see things a little better. You can zoom way in to make sure that the alignment looks good. Now I'm going to adjust each of my images a little bit, make sure they're aligned. If you didn't resize enough, you can do it again and resize it a little bit more. Let's double check the alignment of all 3 of our images, make sure it looks nice and the spacing is even. So that's how you use the Move tool to combine images in Photoshop. Let's go ahead and save this file. Go to File, Save, and we will save a Photoshop file because we have multiple layers and we want to retain those layers. Subscribe to Cry Studio for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks so much.